Alright, here you see Steve's main page, and I'm going to create a new project. But since I've already started a project, I will just click on my project drafts. And since I'm a new person, I have to choose materials that come from Donors Choose vendors. And now I gotta make up my title, and you're supposed to make it look like the title of a book. And now it's time to go shopping. And these are the list of vendors that come from Donors Choose. And since I'd already looked for things from Amazon before I started doing this, I'm going to look for my stuff on Amazon. And now I'm just going to find all the things that I need, and I'll get back to you. Ta-da! Everything is done here. I checked out with Amazon like you normally would, except for it takes you right back here. And now I'm going to save and continue on to the written part. Also, I would suggest that when you sign up with an email that you use for your Amazon account if you're going to be buying from there, or else it's a lot more complicated. Alright, and step 6, I need to summarize everything that's in my cart in one sentence. And so I'm just going to basically say that I need these supplies and here are the supplies. And I did that all in one sentence. And if you need to change your materials, then you just need to go return to go shopping link. Alright, step 6 is where the main written part comes, and I would highly suggest that you write this out in Word and then copy and paste it on there, although I would advise you that they do add some characters in there, so you're going to have to go in there and delete some of them. But this is basically where you're going to answer 4 questions about your project. The more concise and compelling your project or your story, the more likely it is to attract donors. Also, there is a character limit. You'll see to the right of each box that there's a character limit. I did not know that when I was doing this, so I had to redo this whole section over again. So just make sure that your characters are within the allotted amount before you start copying and pasting, or you will get very upset with yourself very quickly. Alright, and I'm done. And when I click save and provide project details, spell check will come up and it'll tell you where all those extra characters got added in. So that'll make you very happy, I'm sure. Alright, and now it's time to provide some more details to make it easier for donors to search for you. So you're going to put it by subject and the materials you're looking for and by your grade. And you'll also need to put the number of estimated students that will be affected by the project. And unless you're a field trip that's taking place at a certain time and you don't need it after that, you need to set it for as long as it can be on the site, which is 4 months. And here you can see a draft of the final project that would show up on the site, and I can either submit the project or I can save it as a draft, and I'm going to save it as a draft because I was not ready to submit. Including all the times I messed up, the process took me about 20 minutes to complete.